Can Disney Plus Chromecast? Disney Plus supports Chromecast, allowing users to stream content from their mobile devices or computers to a larger TV screen. The process is simple and works with both Android and iOS devices, as well as desktop browsers. 1. Compatibility with Chromecast devices. Disney Plus works with Google Chromecast and Chromecast-enabled devices, including smart TVs with built-in Chromecast. Users can cast content from smartphones, tablets, or computers to a TV without additional cables. Second, casting from a mobile device. Disney Plus allows users to cast from their Android or iOS devices using the app. To do this, ensure both the mobile device and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Disney Plus app, select a show or movie, tap the cast icon, and choose the Chromecast device. Third, casting from a computer. Users can cast Disney Plus from a desktop or laptop using the Google Chrome browser. Open Disney Plus on Chrome, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Cast, and choose the Chromecast-enabled TV. The content will then play on the TV. 4. Chromecast built-in smart TVs. Some smart TVs come with Chromecast built-in, eliminating the need for an external Chromecast device. If your TV supports this feature, you can cast Disney Plus directly from the app without additional hardware. 5. How to Chromecast Disney Plus. Step 1. Ensure your Chromecast and device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the Disney Plus app or website. Step 3. Select a show or movie to play. Step 4. Tap the cast icon TV with Wi-Fi symbol in the app or Chrome browser. Step 5. Choose your Chromecast device from the available options. Step 6. The content will start playing on your TV. 6. Troubleshooting Chromecast issues. If Disney Plus does not cast properly, ensure the app is updated, restart the Chromecast device, and check that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Clearing the cache or resetting the router can also help resolve connectivity issues. 7. Alternative streaming methods. If Chromecast is not an option, Disney Plus can also be streamed on smart TVs using other methods such as Apple AirPlay, Roku, Fire TV Stick, and gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. Disney Plus fully supports Chromecast, making it easy to watch content on a larger screen. With simple setup steps and troubleshooting options, users can enjoy seamless streaming from their devices to a TV.